Your front door does more than open and close. It welcomes guests, protects your family, and sets the tone for your entire home. In Taylor, where weather conditions can shift from humid summers to chilly winters, choosing the right material for your entry door is a decision that deserves careful thought. The right choice adds beauty, security, and long-term value to your home. If you're planning to replace your entry door or build a new home in Taylor, understanding your material options will help you make a confident, informed decision. Why entry door material matters. Your entry door faces daily wear and tear. It stands up to wind, rain, sunlight, temperature changes, and constant use. The material you choose affects energy efficiency, durability and lifespan, maintenance requirements, security, and overall curb appeal. A door that looks beautiful but fails to insulate properly or warps over time can become costly. On the other hand, the right material can improve comfort and reduce energy bills while enhancing your home's appearance. Let's explore the most popular options for Taylor homeowners. Wood entry doors. Classic and elegant wood doors are known for their natural beauty and timeless appeal. They offer rich textures, customizable stains, and detailed designs that create a warm and inviting entrance. Benefits of wood doors. High-end, traditional appearance, customizable designs and finishes, and strong and solid feel. However, wood requires regular maintenance. In Taylor's humid conditions, untreated or poorly maintained wood can warp, swell, or crack over time. To keep a wood door looking its best, sealing and refinishing may be necessary every few years. Wood is ideal for homeowners who prioritize aesthetics and are willing to invest in maintenance. Steel entry doors. Strong and secure steel doors are a popular choice for homeowners who value security and durability. They provide excellent resistance against forced entry and are generally more affordable than solid wood. Advantages of steel doors. High security, strong resistance to impact, low maintenance, and cost-effective. Steel doors are typically insulated with foam cores, making them energy efficient. However, they can dent if hit with force and may rust if the protective coating is damaged. Choosing a high-quality finish is important to ensure long-term performance. For families in Taylor who want dependable security without high maintenance, steel doors are a practical option. Fiberglass entry doors. Durable and versatile fiberglass doors have become increasingly popular in Taylor homes because they combine the best features of wood and steel. Key benefits of fiberglass doors. Excellent energy efficiency, resistant to warping, cracking, and moisture, low maintenance, and can mimic the look of real wood. Fiberglass performs especially well in areas with fluctuating weather conditions. It doesn't expand or contract as much as wood, making it a reliable long-term investment. Many fiberglass doors are also available with wood grain finishes that offer the beauty of wood without the upkeep. For homeowners who want durability, efficiency, and style in one package, fiberglass is often the top recommendation. Glass and decorative options. Many entry doors include glass inserts to allow natural light into the home. When choosing glass, consider double or triple pane glass for insulation, decorative or frosted glass for privacy, and impact-resistant glass for added security. Adding glass panels can brighten your entryway while maintaining energy efficiency and safety. Modern manufacturing techniques ensure that even decorative doors can meet high-performance standards. Energy efficiency. For Taylor homes, energy efficiency should be a priority when selecting your entry door. Look for doors with insulated cores, tight weather stripping, quality sealing around the frame, energy performance ratings. An energy-efficient door helps maintain indoor comfort and reduces heating and cooling costs throughout the year. In Taylor's climate, this can make a noticeable difference. Balancing style, security, and budget. The best entry door material depends on your priorities. If you love traditional charm and don't mind maintenance, wood may be right for you. If security and affordability matter most, steel could be ideal. If you want a balance of beauty, durability, and energy efficiency, fiberglass often stands out as the best overall choice. When selecting your new door, consider your home's architectural style, your maintenance preferences, and your long-term goals. A professional installer can help ensure the door fits properly and performs as expected. Final thoughts: your entry door is one of the most important features of your Taylor home. By choosing the right material, you enhance security, comfort, and curb appeal all at once. Take the time to compare options, ask questions, and select a door that fits your lifestyle. With the right choice, your entryway will make a strong and lasting first impression for years to come.